Good evening, everybody, and welcome inside historic Keyworth Stadium, where tonight the stretch drive begins as Detroit City FC hosts the Western Conference leaders, New Mexico United.
Make the fucking statement today, all about us. Sing out tree, 1, 2, 3,
The whistle sounds, and we are underway at historic Keyworth Stadium. Kisiedu, can he get on the end of it? He has pace, he does, his cross, and the penalty will be awarded on the handball. And of course, Maxi Rodriguez wasted no time picking the ball up. Rodriguez with 7 goals on the season. Can Maxi Rodriguez deliver yet again? Of course, Maxi Rodriguez, 1-0 City. Overlapping run. This could be dangerous. Right foot blast. Saldana turns it away. Morris to Joe. Joe turns and sends a rocket wide of the right post. Here's Ben Morris. He's 1v2. Ben Morris! Oh, what a stop made by Tambakis. Here's Lijop, but Ben Morris. This is a 2v2 if they hurry. Job steps over. Job left foot, ripped it just wide of that post. Bodies flying everywhere. Playoff intensity here at Keyworth. The final whistle sounds, and Detroit City FC with the 1-0 victory over the Western Conference leading New Mexico United. What a match. What a night here at Keyworth this evening.
3 points, baby. Let's keep it rolling. 100 games. Let's go.